In this quick video, I will show you how to change your display name for your YouTube account. Or we could say how to change your account name on YouTube. Open up your any browser and go to youtube.com. Then make sure you sign in with the Gmail that is associated with your YouTube account. So once you are signed in, just go ahead on the right top of the browser and click on your profile picture if you have added the one. Then go ahead and click on view your channel. At this page, you will get customize channel button. Just go ahead and click on customize channel. This will take you to the customize channel page. Scroll down until you find the option that says name. Make sure you have read this instruction carefully that choose a channel name that represents you and your content. Changes made to your name and pictures are visible only on YouTube, not on other Google services. You can change your name twice within 14 days. So let's say I have added Rice Mind name here and I want to put YT in front of it and I got the publish button here. Once you're all done with updating your name, just go ahead and click on publish button. Now you see changes published. Now let's go ahead and click on view channel and you see my channel name has been updated here within a few seconds. So that's it about today's quick video on how to change your YouTube account name quickly. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.